Okay, well, I've been doing a lot of tuning on this this turbo controller, and I feel pretty confident with the way it's running right now. I've been really just kind of tuning the top end of the turbo. It seems to be really finicky. It's kind of hard to explain, but once the turbo is kind of spooled, it doesn't, like, you can't go for massive vane changes. It really doesn't respond well to that. You get some barking. It'll kind of sound like backfiring, at least on my truck, if the vanes are opening too fast versus, you know, how quickly the turbo is actually getting up to speed. This thing is completely controllable with just the shaft speed sensor. Not having any real issue even overspinning the turbo. I have it set to go to max open once, you know, shaft speed's over 130,000, which it hasn't ever hit. But the turbo seems to, like, I don't know, maybe it's the design of the actual turbo, but it seems to, you can, once the turbo's completely spooled up, maximum vane position, as you keep lowering the vane position until it finally reaches maximum turbo size, it actually maintains 110, 120,000. And if you started that process earlier, like, let's say, you know, you wanted to kind of tip out at like 105,000, it'll do the same thing as long as you have the same curve. So it's really cool. I'm having a good time with this. My truck clutch is kind of holding, which is good for now-ish. I've defueled my truck a little bit, at least on the pre-boost, because I've just been blowing smoke everywhere, just tuning up the turbo to spool really fast. So right now I'm just making this video because my brakes are kind of warm, they're smelling, and I figured I'd make one little last video of maybe me trying to drive this thing and do a pull. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to shift, steer, and maintain this this damn fucking phone in my hand, but you know, I'll try my best here. Also, I kind of got it to do the little I don't know, you guys have heard little power chokes out there, and they go, you know, when they start to drive. I kind of got that going, so maybe I can maintain this really close and it'll stay focused on that. So and don't worry, my tires rub. So and there's this dude over here skating, so I'll try to give it third gear real quick. So it's pretty amazing. I like it a lot. It rolls on hard. It stays hard. I mean, my truck's pulling to 3K, and I have stock cams and everything in this thing. It's not a built-up motor or nothing, and it is just pulling all the way. I figure if I get some bigger springs in it, I can take it to 4K. So haven't really tried the brake yet. I don't know. I got mixed feelings on it because it doesn't seem to be working that well. So, as you can hear that kind of kick on, it's really cool. So, hopefully you guys like this little video. Try to control my tongue just a little bit with this thing. And if you wanna, maybe we'll get a video of just the actual cluster here, and you can watch it speed up. So. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy the video.